Good morning to everyone. I am Tyrus Lexi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Auxilium College of Arts and Science for Women, Pregnanathapuram. Okay, today we will see differential equations and Laplace transforms. Introduction to differential equation. Okay, what is differential equation? Differential equation of first order and first degree. Definition and method of solving of homogeneous differential equations. Definition and method of solving of linear differential equations of first order and first degree. Introduction. Equations of the first order and higher degree Gravit's equation. The general first order equation of degree n is an equation of the form a naught x comma y dash power n plus a1 of x comma y dash power n minus 1 and so on a n minus 1 x comma y dash plus a n of x comma y equal to 0. This is the first order equation. Next. Example, solve xy of y dash the whole square plus x square plus xy plus y square of y dash plus x square plus xy equal to 0. Solution. In terms of p, this equation xy p square plus x square plus xy plus y square p plus x square plus xy equal to 0. And factor xp plus x plus y, yp plus x equal to 0. The solution of the component equation x dy by dx plus x plus y equal to 0 and y dy of divided by dx plus x equal to 0 and are respectively 2xy plus x square minus c equal to 0 and x square y equal to cx plus f of c and is obtained simply by replacing p by c in the given equation. Example, solve y equal to px plus 4 plus py square. Solution. The primitive is y cx plus 4y z equal to ax plus py plus a square plus b square. This is the solution. Given x is equal to ax plus z equal to x plus y plus b. Solution. Given z equal to x plus a into y plus b. This is the first equation. Second one, p equal to y plus b. The third one, q equal to x plus y. From 2 and 3, x plus a equal to q and y plus b equal to p. Substituting in equation number 1. So this is the solve x square p plus y square q equal to z square. Solution. Given x square p equal plus y square q equal to z square, that is 1 by x minus 1 by a equal to 0. Okay. Today class is over. Thank you.